If you are wondering if OPPO Find X9 supports 100 watts plus power adapters, then the answer is yes and no. So let me elaborate. If you have a power adapter or a charger that has 100 watts or more, you can still use it in order to charge your OPPO Find X9. However, it will not be any faster than, for example, a power adapter that has 80 watts and uses UFCS. Because this is the maximum amount of watts that the phone can use when charging the battery. It is 80 watts. Anything above that doesn't make any difference because, well, the maximum is reached anyway. So if you are planning on purchasing a power adapter, and if you are wondering if it's better to get like 80 watts or 100 watts or 125, then of course, if you don't want really to overpay, you can just go for 80 watts, for example, and that should be good enough as well. So if you have a power adapter that has UFCS, and then you can use up to 80 watts. For PPS chargers, it is 55 watts, and for PD chargers, it is 11.7 watts. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.